Today I'm talking about this 4 set of folding camping chairs. The company sent these to me so I could test them out and give you an honest review. Now I've been using these for a while now, and here's what you need to know before buying them. I'm 6 foot 3 inches tall and weigh 225 pounds, and they fit me very comfortably. They feel very sturdy with no wobbles, even for a bigger person like me. The back is a little bit lower than what I've experienced in the past with some other chairs, but still surprisingly comfortable. And actually, one of my adult sons, who has a taller torso than I do, actually says he prefers these chairs because he can lean back and not have to worry about hitting the side posts. As far as the comfort and feel of these chairs, I find these chairs to be both supportive and comfortable, and the rest of my family agrees. And as far as the lower backs are concerned, nobody in my family has a problem with them. As far as build quality and durability goes, after using these for a while, nothing feels loose or cheap. The frame feels solid, not flimsy or bendy. The fabric feels durable, not that thin, flimsy material some cheap chairs use. And when you look at the seams and the corners, everything looks to be sturdy and reinforced. Unless you're someone who's really hard on your gear, I think these chairs should last you a good while. Now let's talk about some of the features that matter with these chairs. Let's start with the drink holders. They may not be able to fit super large size tumblers, but they fit standard size cans and bottles perfectly. Now let's talk about the storage pocket, which is something I really like. On the side of each of these chairs here, you have this nice big storage pocket. It can fit your keys, your smartphone, maybe you want to stick a bottle of sunscreen in there. Whatever it is, it's so nice that you don't have to leave everything on the ground. And as you can see, each of these chairs comes with its own carrying bag, which makes it super convenient when you're trying to take them to your campsite or to a sporting event. And at the top of each of these bags, there's a drawstring with a little plastic piece that allows you to cinch the string up so the bag keeps the chair from falling out when you're carrying it, which is super nice. Now, once I get the string out of the way here, you can see that it comes off super easily, and now the chair just pops open, nothing special to it, and you're ready to go. Like I said, super convenient when you want to take these with you on the go. Obviously this set is black, but if you don't like black, you're not stuck with this color. They offer both blue and red options for you to choose from as well. Now let's talk about value for the money. First of all, for a 4-pack, this is a really great value. Second, these chairs feel so much better than the super cheap chairs that you might grab at the last minute. If you need multiple chairs for camping, sports, or backyard use, this is a good deal. So if you want a simple, sturdy, comfortable set of chairs that won't break the bank, these are definitely worth considering. I hope this video helped.
If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.